Hi, welcome back to another video clip on Greek roots. This video clip will include 4 Greek roots. The purpose of the video clip is to work on the correct pronunciation, meaning, as well as exposure to a few words, including the root we're looking at. In the comments section, you're going to find a quiz so you can test your knowledge after we go through, if you should so choose to do that. And when we go through, I'll say it a couple times. You'll repeat it back with me a couple times. You'll do it on your own, and then we'll move on to the next root. So let's go ahead and jump in. So our first Greek root for this video clip will be poly. Poly means many, as in polygraph. I'll repeat it again. Ready? Poly means many, as in polygraph. Okay, let's do it together. You repeat it back with me. Ready? Poly means many, as in polygraph. Let's do it again. Ready? Poly means many, as in polygraph. So you're going to notice on the screen some example words that include our Greek root. We have polygraph and polyester and polygon and polygamy as just a few. There are many more. Those are just a few examples. So let's go back and do it, repeat it again together. We have poly, which means many, as in polygraph. Now it's your turn to say it on your own. Ready? Well done. Great job. Let's repeat it one more time before moving on to our next Greek root. Poly, which means many, as in polygraph. Great job. Let's move to our next Greek root. All right, our next Greek root would be chron. Chron means time, as in the word chronograph. I'll repeat that again. Chron means time, as in the word chronograph. Now you repeat it with me. Are you ready? Chron means time, as in the word chronograph. Let's do it one more time together. Ready? Sorry. Ready? Chron means time, as in the word chronograph. Good job. So you're going to see there's a few example words that include our root. We have chronograph, chronic, chronicle, chronically, and chronological as just a few example words that include the root chron. So let's do it together again. Ready? Chron means time, as in the word chronograph. Now it's your turn to say it by yourself. Ready? Good job. Well done. Let's do it together one more time before moving on to our next root. Ready? Chron means time, as in the word chronograph. So let's go ahead and move on to our next root. So our next set of Greek roots will be phos and phot. So I'm going to repeat them a couple times and then you repeat them with me. So phos, phot means light, as in the word phosphorus. I want to do it again. Phos, phot means light, as in the word phosphorus. Now let's do it together. Ready? Repeat it with me. Phos, phot means light, as in the word phosphorus. Let's do it again. You repeat it with me. Phos, phot means light, as in the word phosphorus. So you're going to see there are a few words on here that include our root. We have phosphorus, photography, photocopy, photosynthesis, and photogenic. Sorry. So repeat it with me one more time. phos. Phot means light, as in the word phosphorus. Now you do it on your own. Repeat it, please. Ready? Go. Great job. Well done. So let's do it together one more time before moving on to our next root. Ready? Here we go. Phos. Phot means light, as in the word phosphorus. Now let's move on to our next root. Our next set of Greek roots will be fan and fant. So I'm going to repeat them a couple times and then we'll say them together. Fan, fant means show, as in the word fantasy. I'll say it again. Fan, fant means show, as in the word fantasy. Now let's say them together. Ready? Fan, fant means show, as in the word fantasy. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Fan, fant means show, as in the word fantasy. So a couple of our few of our words that include the root would be fantasy, fantasize, fantastic, and those are just a few examples. So let's do it again together. Ready? Fan, fant means show, as in the word fantasy. Now it's your turn to do it by yourself. Ready? Good job. Well done. Well done. Let's do it together one more time before moving on to our final root for this video. Here we go. Fan, fant means show, as in the word fantasy.